Ho Chi Minh City is a food lover's paradise, where tradition meets innovation in every dish. From sizzling street food to elegant dining, I've explored countless spots to find the absolute best. In this vibrant city, you'll discover authentic Vietnamese flavors alongside amazing international cuisines. Whether craving classic pho, fresh banh mi, or bold fusion dishes, these restaurants deliver unforgettable taste experiences. Join me as I reveal the top 15 must-visit eateries that capture Ho Chi Minh City's culinary soul perfectly. Ready to satisfy your hunger and adventure? Let's dive into the ultimate food journey right here in Ho Chi Minh City.